nagmp3.com.
I will give you what you wanting. Baby, come and chop my money. Baby, back to the dance thing. Baby, this is no be joke thing. Sanga, give you what you wanting. All day.
Hi guys, hi my babies, hi my divas. I wear clothes, okay? Hi my divas, how everyone? Welcome to Divani here. It's your girl Danny here, okay? With no lashes, no contact lenses, with this extra bomb dot com that nobody going to wear lipstick. So yeah, today I bring you this passion, this boom passion twist made it by myself. I don't know if I'm going to upload the DIY before or after the video. I think after this video. So if I upload it before, the link is going to be here or down below. Okay. The name of the company that sent me this here is from Amazon. I'm going to leave the links down below. Okay, because they sent me many of these here right now and I didn't remember the name of the company. I'm going to leave the link down below, don't forget. Okay, yeah, so that is all. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you see how I do it. This time I do it more full. Hey, because you're going to see everything, so that is all. Don't forget to subscribe. I forget to tell they send me, oh my god, they send me 7 packs. I use 4 packs, and it reminds me this. Let me show you quickly how they tell you. So the hair come like this. This is the number 2 or number 4. Come like this long. But me a standard. Okay. It come like this, okay? Yes, it reminds me 3. I use 4 packs, so they send me 7 packs. And they send me these jewelries. I put it on my twist, so that is all. And I use my girl styled gel for the front part, the back part I don't care. So yeah, that is all. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and thank you so much for the new subscribers. I love you, I get you, thank you so much. And